Man for Ashaiman for neighbor Musho, Musho, Ashaiman for neighbor Musho. Man for Ashaiman for neighbor Musho, Musho, Ashaiman for neighbor Musho. Man for Ashaiman for neighbor Musho, Musho, Ashaiman for neighbor. Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sammy TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ashaiman for no, many brain rough. Ukse ukwa Ashaiman na, WWE, wrestling, tables, ladders, and chairs. Yomun tijai, revolution has a long way to go. Has come to say. Revolution has a long way to go. Has come to say that is a song. Obia okofie bia wa Ashaiman say sanyu na muto. Aden. Ashaiman for say omampeni John Dramani Mahama. Any PMMC CEO IFN Sammy Gyamfi. Any incoming flag bearer of NDC Asiedu Nketia. Ni executives na omo NDC mo madada omo. Midafo dada mia. Gonja mafia dada mia o. Gonja mafia dada yo. Ashaiman for nyum no. Enti ukofie bia Ashaiman say the nyum obete de edoso. Se wanti revo abete NDC dada mia. See Ashaiman for see omu MP oye honorable NSBB no. John Mahama ka kire omu say obe appointing as minister. Na John Mahama wa man appointment. Enti omu mpini. Ashaiman for say omu mpini. Say John Mahama ontimi omu 419 sa. Na omu nye nkola. Na say John Mahama sure omu say ana ohu omu say omu nye nkola mpo a omu Ashaiman for no omu pe nkora agro. Enti nya John Mahama be ye bia. Say ebe ya and the ministers are appointed omu ya approve omu by parliament onpam baku. Onpamono. Non-fa position ma omu MP aye honorable Ernest. Enyesa omu mpini. And to show say omu ayese omu ni brain no. Asema omu ka omu ni brain no. They have gone to their party office. Omu ko omu party office. Omu ako breaky glasses no assess enkunya no. Say computers, say printers. Say revolution the mama cracker say who say yenti say omu NDC for no omu revolutionary background. And because they have revolutionary background no omu pentokwa omu pe and to trust them. Say mama ya nekai time I call election. Yes sir. And Ashaiman for so ma sorry. Start free bole. And I call eba who now from who no say Ashaiman.
We are here. We are pleading with the president and the leadership at the top. We are the people of Ashaiman. We were promised ministerial appointments. That was what the president promised us. Sammy Gyamfi came here and promised us same. Honorable Agboja came here and promised us same. Afisa Singh promised us same. Asiedu Nketia promised us same. So what change? What change? What change? Why? Why Ashaiman? Are they telling us that we are only good enough for demonstrations? Are we only good enough for demonstrations? Are we only good enough for rallies? Because we also deserve something better. We gave the presidency to 9,000 solid votes. We didn't sleep. Morning after night. We were working and we worked hard. It is time to have our fair share of the national cake. We beg them. We are on our knees. The people of Ashaiman, we are begging them. The time is now. The people of Ashaiman, we are pleading with the president. The time is now. We beg them. We beg them.
Now when you know, she politics tactics. tactics. Na ebe surprise will say ade ankrofo we ye nyina no uko echira uko investigate ya MP na na mo musika so mko you she na unim tactics ankrofo for politics sake. People do all manner of things under the guise of politics. Ebia na of Felice mama man appointment nti say ebo media ka ebo obia say how dey na ya muye. But don't trust the political game. People do all manner of things. So people do all manner of things. And this has been the issue on social media, and people have been reacting. People have been commenting. Uko X and Kofobebre or Muka Majin Fast Semne. Now, personally, some of the comments that are coming from social media, right? This one is coming from Okra Kelvin. Okay, see, the NDC made multitude of ambitious promises to its followers and Ghanaians. I'm particularly skeptical about their ability to deliver on all these commitments, which means we may continue to see situations like this more often on our screens. This one came from Fabio. I said, Jimmy say, we know they do whilst politicians are cashing out big. Why don't we channel our energy towards accountability from the politicians, but always do unnecessary stuff? And according to Fabio, the demonstration there, who here, this one is coming from Pusha. Or see, fighting and being chaotic for someone and his family to chop the monies. Like seriously, hey, Bibini, Jimmy sa, since we came as Africans, Jimmy sa, I say, Kramaimba. Now this one is coming from Mana. I say Ashaiman Mumpa the Jimmy Nkwa person we know they do any developmental project in Ashaiman as MP for 8 years. No, you want give her ministerial position. Hey, now more. We are from Mohammed. Or see, this is not a real fight, just a facade. If I say to get media attention, when real fight pie, the human run for cover and weapons, tables, chairs, metal are used. Anyone from Ashaiman know they are just joking. Now this one is from Daniel. Or see, the MP is in the known of this. Let me kai. Or see, the MP is in the known of this. These people were in the constituency office yesterday, and their executive spoke with them and asked them to keep calm. There is no way constituents will do this without speaking with their MP. Away in planning and plotting. Sammy says, Ernest Nogbe for minister, he is not even fit for an MP in the first place. The lady wearing black at the back, let me keep quiet. And he had other laughing emojis. This one is from Shiraba. See, Nogbe Ankasa, if he goes to parliament, he doesn't even say anything. Just there and making noise. Yeah. They should stop that nonsense. That guy can't even fix the main Ashaiman market road. Now, this person is from the Giant. Or see, these people have been either paid by Nogbe to do this, or he has promised positions when he is appointed. Now, another person says that when the president appoints your MP for ministerial position, how does it benefit you, the common floor member? How does it benefit your life, your account balance, and living condition? I honestly want to know. Now, this is from Jenny Manosi. Some MPs are just greedy and stupid, so he went to pay his constituents to stage demonstration. In every rumor, there might be an iota of truth, right? We say, as Derek said, that they should shut up. They can create a ministerial position for him. Do they know the kind of promises he gave during the campaign time and how many he will fulfill? You fell for their lies, now you are crying. E-levy, 10% betting tax is still working. You dey trust Mahama. Someone says that this is not about ministerial position. This is about the how woefully the NDC MPs, and he named them, have treated the people of Ashaiman. I can confidently say that the MPP performed better in one term than all the combined NDC MPs. And there are more. Someone said you are only good for demonstration and fooling. Or say Ashaiman for there, you are only good for demonstration and fooling. And that person said they should exercise restraint. Everybody will get opportunity to serve. Charlie, so that's a runner from Ashaiman. Demonstration cost giddy. They are burning ties. They are fighting among themselves. They are breaking bottles. They are snatching necks. They are all of them in this administration. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.